Guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. So today we have Boxycharm Base Box. So I did end up subscribing to the base box just by itself, just to see what was going on, because there's been some crazy, like, people just getting random stuff thrown into a box. So I wanted to see if I signed up with my other email, what am I going to get for base? Because June is Lux. So this is what this is for. If you're interested in seeing what I got for base box June, keep on watching. So guys, if you haven't already, hit the like button before we even get started. I so appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please join us. Subscribe. Alright, so here it is. It just came in. It was on the doorstep. I couldn't even wait. I'm on my lunch break doing this. So the weight for this box was 1 pound. I already looked that up the other day. So let's see if we actually get a card or if I have to go on my phone. So I did get an email saying that I would have to check the insert card here. Let's open it up. Okay, so here we are, standard fashion, Boxycharm. What do we think? Alright, so there's no card. Let's see, and I wasn't able to customize this box because I did it so late. So let's see. Doesn't really tell me anything on the website, so we'll just go with it. Alright, the first thing I see is this Ola Neon. I've never seen this. This is a velvet liquid lipstick, and we have shade The Easy Sell. Looks like a brownish color. It does say it's free of parabens, gluten, and phthalates. And here we are. Nice package. So we got this. Next I have the Cover FX. This is glitter drops. Okay. So I don't have any pricing because I don't have a card. It does say shake well before use. Ooh, nice. Look how pretty that is. So I want to remind you that this is my other, I did a different profile for this. So it has like a dropper. Okay, so it's like a highlighter. Okay, that's cute. And next I see Lilly Lashes Triple X Mascara. I definitely will be giving this away. But let's see what color. It's black. And we'll just show the packaging. Okay, it's nice packaging. I don't want to open it because, you know, time is ticking, but that's another thing. Here. I do see an eye cream. This is the QMS Intensive Eye Cream Day and Night. 15 mLs. I know this is an expensive brand. Very nice. Let's see if it has a seal. Yes, it does. So I will be putting that in a giveaway because right now I am testing out a bunch of eye cream, so I do not need another one. But I know this is expensive. And last, we have a palette. I already have this palette. This is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. So this will be going in a giveaway for sure. Just want you to see. Open it up. There's the cover, and there's the colors. does come with a mirror. So that will be going in a giveaway. And we will be having plenty. So to sum up, we got the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, Lilly lashes, the Cover FX glitters. We got a velvet lip by Hello Neon, and we got the QMS Day and Night Eye Cream. So we did get 5 products, and 4 out of 5 were all makeup. So that's great. I mean, for this being like a new box, because they don't know, I would say it's a pretty decent one. I've already gotten this palette, but if I were a new customer, this is a great box. So be on the lookout for a giveaway. I might even just give this whole box as a giveaway. I haven't decided yet. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and